Vineyard Wine Cellars is a full-service custom wine cellar company. We've been around for about 22 years now, specializing in custom wine storage. And we do everything from residential to commercial, small scale, upscale to large projects, new construction, renovation, all over the country. We are right now in our new Houston showroom facility, which we're very excited to have just opened here in the Houston Design District. The showroom is about 2,000 square feet, and it is furnished with racking systems from all of our racking manufacturer suppliers. So we have on display a broad range of racking styles, materials, finishes, configurations for all kinds of different applications. The wine cellar here is about 50 square feet. It is partially enclosed with insulated, thermally broken glass. It houses about 500 bottles of wine in various configurations and racking styles, and is refrigerated with a fully ducted wine guardian system, which is housed just above the ceiling. We have a bank of refrigerated wine lockers, perfect for a commercial environment, wine club, country club, any kind of hospitality space. The lockers are a self-contained unit, so you have your refrigeration system that sits in a soffit above, and then the locker bank is fully insulated for climate control. This is one of Vineyard Wine Cellars' new individual bottle wine cabinets. So it's a fully insulated cabinet with climate control that will live in the soffit above. The interior is beautifully lit and can be finished with any racking system. Here we're showing a wood racking system, but we can actually house any of our other racking systems in here as well, any configuration options, and get a couple hundred bottles into a cabinet such as this. These are great for residential, also in a hospitality setting, a great option for where you need to build some capacity for your wine storage, but you don't want to use up a lot of square footage for tables. Back of house here in Houston, we have space for about 250 clients to store anywhere from 6 cases to 12 cases to thousands of bottles in some of our walk-in rooms back there. The space has primary and secondary refrigeration systems, which are backed up by a generator. And we have a secure access system as well as cameras back there to make sure everybody's collection stays safe. A lot of times our customers have a custom cellar at home where they keep, the primary bottles in their collection, whereas they may have a supplemental storage space where they keep wines that they're aging for longer periods of time, don't need access to immediately, or even just overflow for folks whose wine club shipments are starting to stack up. We also use the storage facility for folks if we're building their custom room and we need a place to stage their wine while that room is under construction. We now have climate controlled space to be able to do that as well. One of the things that we like to say at Vineyard Wine Cellars is that while we haven't seen everything, we've seen a lot. We've been in business for 22 years and we've worked in commercial and residential large projects with complicated scope and complex requirements, all the way to, small scale, upscale projects for people who want luxury wine displays, but, at a cost-effective price point. We can really take the time to listen to their requirements and give them a solution that is going to work for them from a technical standpoint. It's going to meet any functional requirements that they may have, whether it's refrigeration or capacity or things along those lines. If it's a commercial or hospitality setting, there may be requirements related, to operations and how the wine cellar is going to function for the business. So we're really able to take all those requirements into account and then draw on all of the different products that we offer to create a solution that's going to work best for that application.